Om Yajnanandimandasya Jnananjanasragya Chakshurunmritam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Hare Krishna. Today our topic is Bali Maharaj surrenders the universe. It is described in Srimad Bhagavatam 8th canto, chapter 20. So, in chapter 19, it was described how the Lord asked for 3 pieces of land, and Bali Maharaj intended to give that, but Sukracharya, the spiritual master, said that he is not a simple person, he is not a simple Brahman, he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and he is cheating you. He will take away all your possessions, all your wealth, and give it to your enemy, Indra. And this way he justified certain circumstances in which you can speak lie, all these things he said, and how you should utilize your wealth, you should divide it in 5 parts, in this way instructed. But Bali Maharaj pondered over these instructions and said that nahi asatyat paro dharma iti bhavacha bhuriyam sarvam shodum adam manye ritelika paranam. He said that whatever Gurudev, whatever you say, that is all right. But for as I know that there is no everyone should be afraid of the sinful reactions to lying. For Mother Earth cannot even bear the weight of the sinful liar. Mother Earth can bear everything, and there are so many mountains, so many rivers, so many lakes, so many oceans. Mother Earth can bear, but she cannot bear the burden of a liar. So in this way, when Bali Maharaj said, again he said, Yadyapi asava dharmena mam badniyat anagasam tathapi enam na insisye bhitam brahma tanurupam. So Gurudev, you are saying that he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, but when he heard that he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, then he is very much interested to give whatever he says, whatever he takes, he is interested to give everything, because he is the Lord. But anyway, but he cannot say that his inner feeling. But he said, even if Yadyapi asava adharmena, even if he with some pretension, adharmena, mam badniya, even if he kills me or binds me, still then I cannot do insisse. Insisse means I cannot hesitate, retaliate. I cannot retaliate to him. Insisse. Why? Because he is Bhitam Brahma Tanurupam. You say he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, but he is assuming the form of a dwarf, Brahman, out of fear. So I won't retaliate anything. Even if he kills me or binds me, whatever he does, I won't retaliate. When Bali Maharaj said like this, Sukracharya became angry. Sukracharya, he said, you are drudham panditamanina agya sabdo asya asmad upekya matsasanatigodastam achirad rasasya striya. So its meaning is that you have drudha, you are very, you have become so called learned person, and you dare be so impudent as to disobey my order. You are disobeying my order. Disobeying my order. Because of disobeying me, you shall very soon be bereft of all your opulence. Achirad nasasya sriya. You will be bereft of all your opulence. Its literal meaning is like this, but it has another meaning. Of course, it may be known or may not be known to Bali Maharaj, but Bali Maharaj is not afraid. Whatever may happen, I have given word, means I will fulfill that. Then he became Mahajana. It is not so easy to become Mahajana. But Sri Vishwanath Chakravarti says that it has another meaning. Pandita Mani means Panditanam Mananiya. You are like a learned person, its literal meaning is like that, Pandita Mani, but its another meaning is you are Panditana Mananiya. You are respected by other learned persons, Pandita Mani. Then Agya means Na Vidyate Gyo Jasmat Sa. That means there is nothing else to be known. That is his Vigya. Agya means his Vigya. He is a knowledge person, knowledgeable person. Then they said that Stabdo Asmad Upekya. Stabda means Bhaya Abhavat Anamra. Stabda means very proud, but it has another meaning, that is because he has no Bhaya, no fear, that's why he is Anamra. Then another point is, he said that cost, Shukracharya cost Bali Maharaj, that Achirat Mat Sasana Tigodastam, you are disobeying my order. Its another meaning is that Mat Sasanam Atikramya Gachasi Vishnu Miti Bhav. You are disobeying my order, that is very good, because you will be following Vishnu. That's another meaning is that. And Achirat Prasasisriya, its real meaning is that Tasmad no Chirat. Not Chirad api Sriyo Prasase. Achirad means not Chirad means delay. There will not delay. That means you won't be devoid of your opulence. Not Chirad Prasase Sriya. In this way, Bhagavad Dattam Nityam Sampadam Prapsasi. That's the artha. You will be getting the real wealth given by the Lord. Naturally, it will happen. You will see how the Lord cheats his devotee and how the devotee is experiencing happiness or blissfulness in Lord's such type of dealing. In this way, so even if his spiritual master caused him, still then, after being caused in this way by his own spiritual master, Bali Maharaj, being a great personality, he is a Mahajana, never deviated from his determination. Therefore, according to custom, he first offered water to Vamandev and then offered him to the gift of land he had promised. Then promise was made, yes, I will give, Om, Om, you will utter Om, then only it will be true. So, by uttering Om, he meant to give all the land, three places of land, and then Vamandev will show his universal form, as Lord Krishna showed it in Srimad Bhagavad Gita 11th chapter. And also it is described in Srimad Bhagavatam second canto, 2nd chapter, that is the universal form of the Lord by Sukadeva Goswami to Parikshit Maharaj. In this way, Lord Vamandev immediately extended himself into universal body. By the mercy of Lord Vamandev, Bali Maharaj could see that the Lord is all-pervading and that everything rests in his body. Bali Maharaj could see Lord Vamandev as the supreme Vishnu, wearing a helmet, yellow garments, mark of Srivatsa, Kaustuva jewel, a flower garland, and ornaments decorating his entire body. In this way, he assumed a universal form, and in 2 feet he measured all the 3 worlds. In his right foot, he extended it to downwards. It is the Prithvi, then Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Mahitala, Rasatala, Patala. All these were covered by 1 feet. And he raised his left foot, and it measured everything. Sargaloka, Mahatloka, Janaloka, Tapaloka, and Satyaloka. And not only where Brahma resides, and not only that, it pierced the boundaries of this universal universe, and there are 7 boundaries. Each boundary is 10 times bigger than the previous one. In this way, it reached the spiritual world. And they are that Karandaka Sai Ocean, Karanarnava Jala, Ajal Ocean, Prabhupada says, that water comes, that is Ganga Jala. So in this way, the Lord assumed universal form and then became a dwarf, and then you will bind Bali Maharaj and other things will follow. We will describe it later. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.